Welcome back to another tutorial for the YouCut video editing app. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add keyframes to your edits using this application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the YouCut app on your device and then tap on the plus icon in the middle to continue working on your old project or create a new one. After choosing your desired files, you will be taken into the edit page. Now in this page, you can find various different effects, filters, and other editing options. In order to use the keyframe feature, you will first need to tap on the video track, which will now show the keyframe feature at the top. And as soon as you tap on this, the keyframe icon will appear. Make sure that the vertical bar is located exactly where you want your keyframe, and then tap on the keyframe button. If you accidentally put it somewhere else, you can long press and move this at any point of time. Now that the first keyframe is added, go ahead and add the second keyframe where you want your video action to end. Now for this example, I'm going to start zooming in from the first keyframe, making it end at the second keyframe. So with the second keyframe selected, I'm just going to zoom in to my desired area within the video. Once you have made your desired change, you can go into the first keyframe and then watch your preview. And as you can see, the keyframe zoom in will go exactly the way that I have set it. If you increase the duration between the keyframes, then this zoom in effect will be rather slow. And similarly, if I move the keyframe closer together, then the zoom effect will happen very quickly. You can use the keyframe option to make various different changes and make your video interesting and fun. Once you are done, you can tap on the save button to proceed with exporting your videos. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to use keyframes within your edits on the YouCut application. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.